This is part of the pool at Parrot Tree, and it continues on. Really quite spectacular. Here's the surrounding hills, Parrot Tree and the lagoon. Very pretty. Wonderful spot to spend an afternoon. Lapa Lapa Bar and Restaurant.
Welcome to Lot 31 in Parrot Tree Plantation. This is an estate lot. It has a park on two sides, green space, 170 feet of waterfront, and absolute privacy. It's almost 3/4 of an acre of land, total ridge top, like living in a park. You could build your dream home here and never see another human being if you wanted to, or have all the amenities of Parrot Tree within a 2 or 3 minute walk.